We have an Infinity here, which definitely waited way too long for a headlight restoration. A lot of permanent damage, a lot of micro cracking on top, which is nothing we can do. But we could make it look a lot better. I mean, here you got the yellow haze, the white haze, especially on the top. There's nothing you can do. I mean, we could fix all that. The problem is the permanent cracking that the sun caused the plastic. The plastic is actually fracturing. So here you go. I mean, you still got a little fractures there, but it looks a lot better. At least it's clear and you can see at night. Broward Headlight Restoration. We come to you. South Florida. We come to Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. We come to your home, office, work. 754-302-0769. Text us your pictures. Call us. 754-302-0769. Thank you.